Good morning, friends. We are back on the road. It's the next day, and as you see here, I have blown dried my hair. I look a hot mess right now, but that's okay. I am on my way to my braiding appointment, so I am excited. We did go over my parents' house last night, so we had a great time. Just kind of hung out, just talk. That's always a good thing with the parents. And the house looks amazing. The house looks absolutely amazing. So that was really, really nice. So I'm glad we did that. By the time I got home, we ate. We ate so late, but I did make chili. And we had that. I washed my hair and all of that when we got in, and it was about, I probably got to bed around 11:30, y'all, which is not bad. I mean, I had a jam-packed day. So very, very productive day. I'm about to jump on this interstate. I have a 10 a.m. appointment. So the next time you guys see me, I'll have my braids. I'm excited. I'm even more excited to hit this road to Florida, okay? I need a getaway badly.
You've been talking about patience, hoping for everlasting. You're known for talking crazy. I know it's infatuation.
I am so glad that I left early because, y'all, this traffic is craziness. And it looks like 2 lanes are shut down over here. So I don't know if there's an accident or what. But, honey, oh my goodness. I should get there. I need to look at my GPS. I pretty much know the area I'm going. She moved locations from the last time I went to see her, but it's still in the same area. Sorry, guys. I'm watching this car. They look like they're really about to pull over and hit me. I'm in traffic, so I'm just chit-chatting with you because I really don't like to, film while I'm driving. I said that last time, didn't I? But anyway, guys, I hope you're doing well. This traffic is something. Our city is just growing so fast. Oh, y'all, I did not know that you have to have the real ID for both domestic and international flights. I thought it was just international. Oh my God. My mom texted me this morning and was like, no, T, it's for both. So we are going to Chicago, I believe, or New York, I don't know, sometime in June. So, honey, I need to get busy and get my real ID. My husband said he may go after work today. Them lines are crazy. And they said on the news, if you're not going international, that's why I was confused a little bit. Is that right, guys? Let me know in the comment section, but I need to get it anyway. I went to get it actually the beginning of this year. Honey, I thank God it wasn't a line or anything, but I went in and didn't even have all the documentation. I was like, are you serious? Had my hair done, y'all, because I wanted another picture, everything. But I know they said too that if you're not going internationally, oh good, the traffic's speeding up. It must have been something they're doing over here. Maybe it was an accident. But I thought they said that if you're not flying internationally before May, or until later in the year, that you don't really have to worry about going and avoid the crowds. Oh, I'm going to have to research that myself. I trust my mom, but sometimes, honey, I don't know what she'll be looking at. I don't know where she gets her information from sometimes, but I need to confirm. I always like to fact check anyway, so we'll see. But let me know. I'll probably know before this video goes live, but that's okay. Well, guys, I am up and moving now. No traffic right here. We haven't really gotten into the city limits yet, but I will check back with you later. Hey, y'all, I just got here. Woo, this is my hair length, guys. I am happy with it. I wish I would have gotten it trimmed before this braiding appointment today. It feels good, but I need these ends dusted. I always leave early. I hate to be late for appointments, but it never fails. I'm on time, and then my stylist is late. She just texted me as soon as I parked and told me she was just leaving the hair store, which is on the same street, so she shouldn't be that long, but that's cool because I'd rather get here and walk in with her. This is a new location and it's really, really nice. I like the area. So I just got the phone with my husband, let him know I got here, and I'm gonna wait for her. I brought my work laptop. Well, I can work if I need to attend to any emails while I'm sitting in the chair. So all is good. I got my work phone. But so far, so good. I got up so early this morning because I had so many reports to get out. And today, Thursday, was the only appointment that would work before we leave next week. So I had to move around some stuff, get stuff done. Because, you know, you lose time when you're en route to the appointment. So I did a lot this morning. I got up when my husband left. He goes to work so early. So he was out the door around 5 something this morning. So I got up a little bit after, took care of a lot of stuff. So I feel great. So I don't really have to be tied to my laptop while my girl's braiding my hair, because I like to chit chat with her, honey, and we catch up on Housewives franchise. I am addicted. Let me know in the comments if you guys are Housewives fans, and if you are, which is your favorite of the Housewives franchise? Woo! I gotta watch my Kempire's review. Part 2 of the reunion for Real Housewives of Beverly Hills. I hate Garcelle is leaving, but I am all about her peace and happiness, and it seems like she was miserable. She looked miserable just sitting on the stage for them. I got to catch up with that, so I'll be talking to her. She is a trip, okay? We love Housewives. I have to watch that one again before the third part of the reunion comes on, because Kempire was going in on them. Now I won't even go into it, y'all. I'll be here all day talking. But let me know, ladies, in the comment section, or gentlemen, if you watch Housewives and if you like recaps or something, or just, I may do a day where we just talk about the episode or something. I don't know, but I'm obsessed, okay, with reality TV. I am obsessed with it. My husband's like, I don't see how you watch all those. You have something to watch every day. And I'm like, yeah, because I usually watch them the next day. I fall asleep, or I'm not really watching them in real time. I can watch them anytime, but honey, I had so many to catch up on between Beverly Hills, Atlanta, Lord. I miss Kenya. I'm going to miss her. I know she was wrong, but anyway, I digress. I love every one of them. Salt Lake City, I cannot wait for it to come back, because them girls, honey, they understand the assignment. They understood. Oh, it's a bug. Girl, I saw too that the cicadas are coming back. I haven't. My mom was saying they're coming back, and I was like, when? Because we had them like, what, last year? I didn't know they were coming back, and I looked on the internet, and there it was, and she said it's on TV every day, but I don't see it. I guess by the time I get up, I watch world news, and I catch our local news, you know, later in the afternoon or the evening. So by the time I get up and get moving and start working, world news is on. Yeah, I thought I saw a cicada. I'm about to freak out. I hate those things. I got my little bar to snack on. She's really fast, I promise you. I'm getting medium knotless. Last time it took her a little over 3 hours, but she's really fast and she's really good. I'm glad I got this appointment. But y'all, I think she's pulling up. Let me get on off of here. I will chat with y'all later. Oh, it's a bug. Y'all, what do you think? It is like 2:30 p.m. She was running a little behind, but it was like by no more than 15 minutes, no biggie. But I love these guys. I think next time I will go for the medium size, but I always get medium, and I love them. I do. I love them. I love them. So she curled them for me. I need to get home to Layla. I know she's wondering, where in the world is mommy? I have been gone since 9 o'clock, so I hope she hasn't pottied anywhere. She's potty trained and holds it, but we don't like to keep her home alone. And she doesn't go in a crate, so she runs the house, honey. She literally and figuratively runs our household, okay? She is spoiled rotten. So anyway, she's roaming. Hopefully she's asleep on the couch, but I should be home in about 15 minutes. Thank goodness it's before rush hour, so the traffic seems to be moving perfectly going home. So yes, I am ready. Did a lot of work. Thank God today wasn't just extremely crazy where I had to jump on calls. But yes, guys, I love my stylist. He is phenomenal. Honey, we sat there the whole time and watched Housewives, girl. I had to tell her she doesn't really keep up with TV, like when Housewives comes back on. I don't think she has cable. So at her shop, I told her, I said, girl, Atlanta Housewives has been back on. Honey, we watched all all the way up to the current one, I think episode 5. We watched those together and had a blast, honey. I snacked, which I shouldn't have been doing. And we caught up with reality TV, girl. We just love it. But she is the sweetest. I love her. But anyway, y'all, I'm about to be home in a second. And I will pick back up when I get home.